Hello and welcome to Tripp's Art Class. Today I wanted to review something that I am excited about. It is my first set of Blackwing pencils. Now, if you're not familiar with Blackwing pencils, I guess they're supposed to be awesome. I guess they're supposed to be like the most expensive pencil that you can buy. So saved up a little bit and splurged some money to buy these Blackwing pencils. Now, a lot of them I didn't really like because of the gold metal part on the pencils. I don't know, I'm not a gold person, so I don't like gold on things, but I found this set of pencils and I just really like the meaning behind it and everything. This is the number 42 Blackwing pencil, which is a tribute pencil to the famous baseball player Jackie Robinson, who played for the Brooklyn Dodgers. So as you can see here, it has the classic Dodger colors here. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up here. First time, let's see what it looks like. So let's see, we have number 42, which was Jackie Robinson's number here. And oh, I like the little baseball. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, little baseball diamond there. That's kind of nice. And here's the pencils. So you get a number here. I think I paid after taxes almost $40 for these pencils, but checking out the quality, they do feel pretty good. They're not magical. They're still a regular pencil. It has a blue eraser, and I guess these are replaceable. I don't really know how they work. It seems pretty stuck in there, but I think they're replaceable. And here it is, Blackwing 42. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen one of these up and see how it actually performs on paper. Okay, I just went ahead and sharpened my very first Blackwing pencil here. It sharpens okay. I don't know if I was using a cheaper sharpener or if it's the pencil, but it wasn't super easy to sharpen. You can almost kind of see here where the pencil is molded together. I would almost expect better than that in such an expensive high-end pencil, but let's go ahead and give it a try here. I'm just going to do a quick little cartoony sketch of the blue duck. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just kind of start sketching away to see how this pencil performs. Already what I've noticed is the lead seems very, very, very dark. Which, when I ordered this pencil, I was under the impression that it was actually more of a average drawing pencil. But it feels more like a B pencil. It doesn't feel like an HB at all, or number 2. But it does feel nice though. And this pencil really seems to show its value when you're drawing with its when it's a little bit dull. So I want to really use this as a light sketching pencil. probably rather use my mechanical pencil for that. But for line work and, you know, having a good sense of variety, of value, this might be a pretty awesome pencil. Okay. So I see the value of it now, actually really experimenting with it for the very first time. And the use of value that it has in terms of shading is really why I see where people would want to spend this much money on a pencil. The way the lead practically melts into the paper is pretty phenomenal, and I'm just, you know, using regular, you know, typing paper right now. I don't even have quality paper. Okay. So once again, this is the Blackwing 42 drawing pencil. There it is. Go ahead and do a zoom up on it so you can see it in detail. Okay, so there we are, a little product review, and look them up if you're interested in these pencils. Out of all of them, I really do like the Jackie Robinson number 42. I'm a Dodgers fan and a Jackie Robinson fan too. So I love the blue, I love the white, little red number 42. This is awesome to me. Probably some of my favorite pencils that I've ever owned. So thanks for joining in. Catch you next time.